Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So most people solve this question like 2 minus 5 is equal to minus 3. Then again 2 minus 5 is equal to also minus 3. Now minus 3 multiply minus 3 is equal to 9. Okay, but this answer is completely wrong. This answer is not correct. Now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay, PEMDAS, PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS rule, P means parentheses, A means exponents, M means multiplication, and D means division. A means addition and S means subtraction. First priority is parentheses, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division. Multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Last and fourth priority is addition and subtraction. Also addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay. Now, according to the rule, first priority is parentheses. So first we have to solve this parentheses. Okay. So 2 minus 5. Now solve this parentheses. 2 minus 5 is equal to minus 3. Now here is multiplication and here is subtraction. First priority is multiplication, then we have to solve subtraction. Okay. So is equal to, now solve this multiplication first. So 2, now minus 5 multiply minus 3 is equal to plus 15. Okay. Now 2 plus 15 is equal to 17. So the correct answer is 17. If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching the video.